Welcome to my channel, the OutBack Power Systems, the next generation of power, the FX2000 inverter charger, ultra efficiency power conversion systems. Guys, look what we have here. It's a 5-stage temperature compensation battery charger system, 60 amps AC transfer switch system, 6 LED indicators for inverter and charger and battery condition programming auxiliary control output. This is what we have here with the OutBack power, live from the channel. So guys, check this out. Well, as you guys seen, this is the OutBack. This is the international version here. As you guys, if you're curious to know, this is a 230 volt AC. As you guys seen, there's a manuals, always manuals. This is the OutBack Extreme, the OutBack Extreme rugged inverter charger, the OBX. This is the OBX-IC2024P-230 50Hz. Well, instructional manual, there's the program manual, and here are the battery protection covers for the terminals, guys. This is awesome, and I received this device a couple weeks now. Well, I didn't even have time to do a video. This is how it is, guys. This has been out for a very long time. Well, it shows here the manufacturing date, but it has been sitting in a warehouse for so long. Many of them get restock or whatever, never been used, brand new. It says a third quarter and 2008, but trust me guys, it's a brand new machine, never been used at all, zero miles on it, and I can prove it to you. Even the terminals are all brand new. The screws and everything is spanky new. They never been used, and even the paperwork, you can see everything in there. And these are the 6 LED indicators they were talking about earlier when I read on the box. And look at that, look at the specs, and here is the voltage or the specs. So these you can read it. A maximum input current is about 100 amps. Okay, and what's the AC input current amps is see right there is 42. Alright guys, the DC input voltage, so I can use lithium batteries into this. The range inside is gonna say the input here. You see it? It can take up to 21 to 34 volt DC. Okay, so the hertz is like 44 to 56. Maximum AC input current is 30 amps. Okay, and the maximum DC input current, like the battery bank required, or battery, supposed to be at least 100 amp. So guys, this is just the OutBack Extreme, designed and assembled with the OutBack power system in Arlington, Washington, Seattle, United States. So guys, this is a single phase sine wave inverter charger with a 30 amp AC transfer switch built in. It's a big ground log right here, used with copper conductor, rated at a 75 degrees C on a higher torque DC terminal. So guys, this is a die-hard machine. This is Look at this, brand spanking new threads, and never been used at all. You can tell, nothing. Big heat sink. See the fins right there? Nothing. All this stuff is just awesome, guys. It's just awesome. So I decided just to show you guys. This is the new breed. These are the first OutBack. These are made for rough environments, like a very crucial or hard or salt area, dusty, and just humidity. These are all die-hard machines here, guys. So I'll recommend OutBack big time, and I'll stand with OutBack products anywhere, anytime, everywhere. So I'll recommend them. I'll use them. And these guys are American made machines, and guys, nothing lie about these people. You know, all you see, the OutBack, Magnum, Xantrex, and all the stuff machines you guys seen me having, it is just wonderful machines. So I like my machines. So I like to get something nice and something reliable. I don't have to cry. I don't have to worry about it. And I don't have to scratch my head. I have to go to bed and sleep well. I'm not going to be worried about anything about fire, danger. I'm not saying these guys are fireproof and nothing. It's not going to happen to them. But in as much I've used these machines, I know these guys, and always dealing with American products here and supporting the OutBack and our products here. Hey, this is the way to go. Thanks for watching, guys. Love you guys. Please subscribe if you've never used this OutBack product here. Is the OBX, the Extreme, OutBack Extreme. They made them for extreme conditions, die-hard machines. Alright, you can see back here where you can able to get the AC and DC conduit plugged in. Everything is just fancy. So yep, you can see the manufacturing dates. Probably gonna say I'm not gonna buy it because it's not even what. Okay, that's fine. But these are brand new machines, sitting in the warehouse for so long, and you know, when they have them overstock, a lot of them. So I recommend this thing big time. And guys, this is all I want to show you for today's video. Just unboxing it. You guys can see live here, you know, in Minnesota. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.